Ikundi cia gutetera ihoto cia umundu ni cikitie mugambo wacio iguru rigie gukindirwo kwa President muthuure Dagitari William Ruto riu ikioria Ruto gutigirira ni ahe akenya gitumi gia kwihoka thirikari.
His Excellency the President elect
David Ciuritie uria niwe muikariri giti wa Ngwataniro cia urũĩrĩri wa ihoto cia umundu ni oritie Ruto gutigirira ni athingatithia mendekithia maria maheanitwo iguru rigie kwamurwo kwa makomishina ihinda-ini riria riagiriire.
Commissioners should be appointed at least 2 years to elections. We saw some IBC commissioners being appointed 6 months to elections. That means that as a country, we are still not following the recommendations of the institutions that we are setting out as a country.
Just as they are happy that the Supreme Court has pronounced itself and declared them winners of the election, then they should go ahead and respect all orders that will be coming from the court.
Ningi ikundi ici ni ciuritie Ruto gucokereria wihokeku hari honge ngurani cia thirikari kwitukira kunyihia uhuthiri wa kigina gia thirikari hari maabitha honge itiganite. Uko thirikari cia kaunti nacio ikiorio igereke uhuthiri wa kigina kiria ithukagirwo.
We don't want to see emphasis, we don't want to see a very large government which is consuming taxpayers' money, increasing the recurrent expenditure. We need the government to be small so that more money should go to development.
Hapo kwamba alisema ataweza kuona kwamba tuko na good environment ya biashara na kwamba atakuwa anatupatia loans za kufanya hizi biashara. Tungependa kwamba zitekeleze hizo promises.
Ningi Otieno ni oritie Akenya gutigirira ni mathurima murutire wa wira wa thirikari niguo gutigirira thirikari njeru ni kurutithia wira wa thore uthurimaga mugaciru megie uruti wa wira wa muingi uria ukoretwo kurutithio wira ni thirikari ya Jubilee.
When in instances whereby they will be going against the constitution or maybe trampling upon the rights of Kenyans, then as the CSRG we will not hesitate to call them out, even to organize demonstrations, to go to court to ensure that the constitution is implemented.
They should stop taking any more loans, and they should open the debt register so that members of the public will know what exactly are the debts.
Ikundi ici no imurikite mbunge ya 13 riritanyitwo gukorwo gicokia kigina gia CDF uramati-ini wa mbunge undu uria bangirwo kwariririo gikaro-ini kia mbere riu Ritana rikirutirwo mbunge kwaga guthugunda o uria makwiguna na kigina giki kiria kiagiriire kuguna muingi. Handu-ini ya Kameme TV ritwa rakwa ni Bataru wa Mwangi.